While little is known about chronic fatigue, its root causes, and from the medical standpoint, what can help alleviate or even cure it, it doesn't mean that there aren't holistic approaches and mind-body approaches that can at least manage and alleviate some of the symptoms. Hi everyone, I'm Elaine Young. I am a certified yoga therapist and I teach you yoga that doesn't bring you any more pain. It's accessible, practical, slow, and nourishing. And today I want to introduce a breathing practice for you called Ujjayi Pranayama. Not only can Ujjayi Pranayama increase the state of relaxation, which can be very beneficial if you do have chronic pain, but also gently increase energy, vitality, and stamina without the jittering effect of coffee. Before we dive into the breathing practice today, be sure to subscribe to my channel because I do come out with videos every week to help you manage some of the symptoms of persistent pain, chronic illness, and chronic fatigue. All right, let's dive into this breathing practice now. To begin with this Ujjayi Pranayama, or the breath of victory, you can go ahead and settle into a comfortable sitting position. Now, you don't have to sit on the floor like I am right here. You can also sit on a chair or a couch where you are comfortable and your back can be pretty straight. If you do choose to sit on the floor, it is more comfortable to have a bolster or some propping underneath your hips. As you sit in the cross-legged position, you can also have some support underneath your knees, like I have this blanket underneath my knees so that they're not just floating. You can also do this by lying down, either on your back or curled up on your side in your bed if you like. Once you get settled, you can gently bring your eyes to a close or just soften your gaze downward. And go ahead and take a few easy breaths in and out through your nose. So we're just beginning by practicing and going inwards to our natural breath for now. If it is comfortable for you, the preferable way to breathe here is in and out through your nose, but if that's not comfortable or accessible for you at this point, you can breathe in whatever pattern, shape, way, or form that is most comfortable and natural. Let your breath be at your natural pace. You don't need to, at this point, lengthen it or make it any fuller than your natural breathing patterns. Allow your shoulders to soften. Your arms to drop and dangle down by your side if you're sitting. Your body sinks down into the support wherever you are, whatever position you are in. So the areas of your body that are in contact with the earth, allow them to sink and lean into that support just a little bit more. Allow your belly to gradually soften so that perhaps you can feel the gentle expansion of your belly as you inhale and the softening as you exhale. Now, inhale through your nose. On your next exhale, open your mouth and you're going to breathe out through your mouth as if you are fogging up a mirror. And then you close your mouth to breathe in through your nose again. And exhale, open your mouth as if you're fogging up a mirror. In through your nose. And exhale. Continue on your own a few more rounds. Now, continue with the exhaling as if you're fogging up a mirror. But halfway through your exhale, see if you can close your mouth, but let the sound continue like this. So the fogging sound continues even as you close your mouth. Now try not to clench your jaw or your throat. They should be fairly relaxed and soft. Now, if that is challenging for you to maintain the sound as you close your mouth halfway through, continue with the first option where you're just fogging out or exhaling out through your mouth as if you're fogging a mirror, and just let that continue for the duration of your exhale. So you don't close your mouth in the middle. If you are able to continue and maintain the sound halfway through of your exhale as you close your mouth, the next option is to breathe out through closed mouth, but initiate that sound at the very beginning, like this. So I'm inhaling through my nose, and as I exhale, inhale through my nose. So I'm creating that sound even without opening my mouth and using the fogging up mirror metaphor to create the sound. So go ahead and try that. And again, if that feels challenging and you feel your jaw or shoulders start to tense as a result of trying to create the sound, then I'd rather you just do the first option of inhaling through your nose and exhaling with your entire mouth open for the duration of your exhale. And the second option is inhale through your nose, exhale, closing halfway and letting the sound continue. Third option, keeping your mouth closed so that when you exhale, the sound is already initiated. So pick one of those three options and continue for a few more rounds. And finish your next one. Then you can return to your natural breathing. And notice the effects, if you can observe any of them, after our brief breathing practice. And when you are ready, you can then slowly open your eyes if you had them closed. So that's our Ujjayi pranayama. The sound itself doesn't need to be any louder than what you can hear yourself. So it really is a very subtle, soft, almost inward quality of the sound. Now you can practice this breathing for up to 5 or 10 minutes, once a day or even twice a day, so that you build up to 20 minutes total. And those will have an amazing effect in relaxing the body. So you can try this before bed, You can also try this in the morning when you wake up. If you're feeling really tired, as if you're not rested, then you can sit or lie down and practice this breathing for 10 to 20 minutes to give you a inward and subtle rejuvenating effect. Again, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe so that you get more practical yoga tools to help manage your pain and your symptoms. I'm Elaine Ouyang, and I will see you next time.